Look how big those buddies. Look at these guys. Look at the size of these buddies. All right, go back in. Go back in. Go back in. See them? Ready for processing. I'm figuring tomorrow. I'm hoping tomorrow. And if not tomorrow, the next day. But they're out of food, so I'll give them, today is the last day they'll be fed for 2 days. I'll have them fed here. Today's the last day. Then for 2 days they won't be fed. As you can see now, I'm starting to build a chicken run, which will go on the front. Before I let the chickens out, and then put hardware cloth all like along the sides and the back. The front will be clear so the chickens could go underneath there. I still have to take the nesting boxes and attach them to the chicken coop. But let's see what we got. Let's say hi to the birds. I don't think I've ever shown you guys, but right now I got to clean this out today. A thorough clean out. They say hi. They usually come to me. Hey guys, here's my turkeys. All my chickens. There's 11 of the red sex lynx. Those my egg layers. My turkeys are getting nice and big. Hey buddy. Here's a couple of them up here just chilling on the roost. Come on, buddy. I'll show you. They usually come to me. They're pretty docile. They're pretty easygoing. Yeah, here's one. Always comes to me. These guys always seem to. Let's see here. So I gotta clean this out, give them fresh bedding and everything like that. Yeah. Hey, buddy, you're the big one. This one here is the big one. Yeah. Look at it. Look at the size of that one, eh? And this one here. Yeah. So they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Gonna stand on my hand here? Yeah. Stand on it. Stand on it. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. They're pretty. Yeah. Here we go. So yeah, they seem to pretty used to me. You can see just chilling.